The local government of Barangay San Antonio, Pasig City is dedicated to ensuring its senior citizens feel functional and relevant in the community. Today, the barangay celebrated the first anniversary of its Elderly Day Care program, which was attended by 50 senior citizens. This pioneering initiative is the first of its kind in the city, designed to improve the physical and mental well-being of its older residents. Highlights of the program included heartfelt stories from participants and a special recognition for the individuals and partners who contributed to its success.
Ang aming goal ay manatili silang functional, manatili silang may purpose at ma-feel nila na sila ay special pa rin. So ito po ay ang panaginip namin sentro ng aktibong pagtanda.
Lahat sa kanila ay may access sa ganitong mga activities. So, very blessed kami na nagkaroon kami ng collaboration with a medical institution. Nang sa ganoon ay makapaghatid kami ng ganitong programa